I'm Brian Hammer. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to exit out of servce. So we're going to tap on the exit button here to get out of it and go into Windows. Yes. In Windows, we're going to tap on Settings. Then we're going to tap on Connections. In Connections, we're going to tap on USB to PC and then uncheck the Advanced Functionality option and hit OK. This will facilitate our connection to Windows Mobile Device Center on our PC. Now we're going to plug it into our computer. So what we have here is the bottom of the data collector. You can see that this is the full-size USB port, which we would use for a thumb drive or USB flash drive. The other port here is a micro USB port. Now, this is not to be confused with a mini USB port, which is on our old data collectors, the Carlson Mini and Surveyor. Surveyor 2 has a micro USB port. So first, I recommend plugging in the charger so that the battery collector doesn't go to sleep and drop the connection, and then also plug in the USB. Once the USB is plugged in, the computer should acknowledge the connection and allow Windows Mobile Device Center to connect. So we're going to open up Windows Mobile Device Center and just wait a moment. Here we're going to select Connect without setting up your device, and then we're going to minimize it. In the Carlson program, we're going to go to the Survey drop-down and we'll select Data Collectors. Then we'll select Carlson servce CSI Mobile. Initially we may get an error, which is for connecting to COM1, but that's fine because we're using USB. This prompts us for the connection wizard, so we'll say OK, and then we'll tell it that we're using a USB connection. The wizard will connect through the USB for us, and this should launch the ServCom window. This is ServCom version 1.6, so this is for Windows 7, Vista 8, so on and so forth. On the left-hand side, you have the local PC and showing which folder we're looking at inside of the PC at this time, and all the files that are in that folder. On the right-hand side, so we're going to go up one level, sorry about that. And so now we're in Carlson Projects, and this is where all our data is. On the right-hand side is the remote path, and right now the remote path is not looking at anything. So we're going to double-click on Program Files, then double-click on servce, then double-click on Data. Now the remote path should be set to Program Files, servce Data, which is where you should be saving your files. We're going to transfer a file from the left-hand side, the PC, to the data collector. So we're going to find our coordinate file and simply click on Transfer. We're going to be asked if we want to send all files the same name. We'll say no, because all we want is the coordinate. And then you'll see on the right-hand side, we've now got that coordinate file. And we're going to take a look at the data collector now. Okay, so now we're going to go launch servce on our collector and verify that the data has been transferred successfully. Once servce is opened, we're going to select New Existing Job. There's our job. We're going to tap on that, open it up. Now that it's loaded, we're just going to hit X to get out of those settings and go into Points. And here's our point data. We have successfully transferred the data from the PC to the data collector.